Flowering vines are a perfect way to add color, fragrance, and greenery to small balcony spaces. Easy to grow in containers, these climbers create a refreshing natural corner while enhancing privacy and beauty. From vibrant blooms to fast-growing varieties, balcony vines can transform any urban space into a mini garden paradise. Let's discover the most beautiful flowering vines for container gardening. Mandevilla or Mandevilla sanderi is a beautiful tropical flowering vine ideal for balcony container gardening. Known for its glossy green foliage and trumpet-shaped flowers in pink, red, or white shades, this fast-growing climber adds vibrant charm to small spaces. It thrives in warm climates and requires at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily for healthy blooming. Plant it in a well-draining pot with rich soil and provide support like a trellis or railing for climbing. Regular watering, occasional pruning, and monthly fertilizing encourage continuous flowers throughout the season. With proper care, Mandevilla creates a lush, colorful, and elegant balcony garden display. Ipomoea purpurea, commonly known as morning glory, is a fast-growing flowering climber, perfect for balcony containers and vertical gardening. Its heart-shaped leaves and vibrant trumpet-like blooms in purple, blue, pink, and white, which creates a cheerful garden display. This vine flourishes in full sunlight and grows well in medium to large pots with good drainage. Regular watering and light feeding help maintain healthy growth and abundant flowers. Since it climbs quickly, providing a trellis or balcony railing support enhances its beauty. Morning glory blooms open in the morning, bringing freshness and color that brighten balconies and compact outdoor spaces beautifully. Black-eyed Susan vine or Thunbergia alata is a fast-growing, flowering climber ideal for balcony container gardening. It produces bright, cheerful blooms in orange, yellow, or cream with a dark central eye, giving it its common name. This tropical vine thrives in warm weather and prefers full sun to partial shade. When grown in a pot, it needs a sturdy trellis, railing support, or hanging structure to climb freely. Use a well-draining potting mix and keep soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Regular feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer encourages continuous flowering from summer to autumn. It attracts bees and butterflies, adding life and color to small balcony spaces. Bougainvillea or Bougainvillea glabra is a hardy, vibrant ornamental climber widely used for balcony and terrace container gardening. Known for its paper-like bracts in shades of pink, purple, red, or white, it creates a striking display rather than the small, less noticeable true flowers. It thrives in full sunlight and performs best when exposed to at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sun daily. In containers, use a well-draining, slightly sandy soil mix and avoid overwatering, as it prefers drier conditions once established. Pruning helps control size and encourages more blooming. A strong support like a railing or trellis allows it to cascade or climb beautifully, making it ideal for adding bold color to small outdoor spaces. Clematis. Clematis grows beautifully in containers when given the right support and care. Choose a large pot with good drainage and rich, well-draining soil. Place the container where the vine receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, while keeping the roots cool with mulch or companion plants. Install a trellis or stake for climbing support. Water regularly, especially during hot weather, and feed monthly with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Prune according to the clematis type to encourage healthy blooms. Container-grown clematis adds vertical beauty to balconies, patios, and small gardens with its colorful flowers and elegant vines. Campsis radicans, commonly known as trumpet vine, is a vigorous, woody climber with bright orange-red trumpet-shaped flowers that attract bees and hummingbirds. For a balcony, it can be grown in a large, sturdy container, but it needs strong support like a trellis or metal frame because it climbs aggressively. Choose a pot at least 18 to 24 inches deep with good drainage and rich, well-draining soil. It thrives in full sun and needs regular pruning to control its fast growth. In containers, growth is more restrained than in open ground, but it still requires monitoring to prevent it from becoming too heavy or unruly on a balcony structure. Bleeding Heart Vine or Clerodendron thomsoniae is a tropical, evergreen climbing plant native to West Africa. It is widely grown as an ornamental vine for its striking flowers, which feature white, balloon-like calyces with bright red corollas emerging from within, resembling a bleeding heart. The plant can climb up to 4 to 5 meters when supported and is commonly used on trellises, fences, and pergolas. It prefers warm, humid climates, partial shade, and well-drained soil. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and more flowering. Blooming mainly occurs in warm months, making it a popular choice for decorative gardens and landscape beautification in tropical regions. Star jasmine, Trachelospermum jasminoides, is an evergreen climbing vine ideal for balcony container gardening. It grows well in pots with good drainage and a sturdy support like a trellis or railing. The plant prefers bright sunlight for at least 4 to 6 hours daily, though it can tolerate partial shade. Its glossy green leaves remain attractive year-round, and in warm months it produces highly fragrant white star-shaped flowers. Regular watering is needed, but avoid waterlogging. A well-draining soil mix and monthly feeding during the growing season improve growth and flowering. Light pruning keeps it compact and bushy in limited balcony space. Blue pea vine, Clitoria ternatia, is a fast-growing, twining climber known for its striking deep blue flowers shaped like a butterfly or pea blossom. It is widely grown in balcony containers for both ornamental and medicinal uses. The plant thrives in warm climates and prefers full sun, which encourages abundant flowering. It is low maintenance and grows well in ordinary, well-drained potting soil with moderate watering. The vine climbs quickly on trellises or railing supports, creating a lush green curtain. Its flowers are also used to make natural blue herbal tea and food coloring, adding unique value beyond its beauty. Passion flower, Passiflora caerulea. It feels like a living piece of art in a balcony garden. Its flowers don't look ordinary at all. They have a layered structure with bold colors and a crown-like center that makes them instantly noticeable. This vine grows quickly when it finds a vertical support such as a railing or trellis, turning a plain balcony into a green, tropical corner. It enjoys bright sunlight and warm conditions, rewarding good care with frequent blooms. The plant also attracts butterflies and bees, adding movement and life. With occasional pruning, it stays manageable even in container spaces. Climbing rose or rosa is a graceful flowering vine ideal for container gardening in small spaces. Its long canes produce clusters of colorful, fragrant roses that create a charming vertical display. Select a sturdy container with drainage holes and nutrient-rich soil for healthy growth. Keep the plant in a bright, sunny spot where it can receive plenty of light each day. Support the stems with a trellis or railing to guide climbing. Regular watering and seasonal feeding help maintain lush foliage and continuous blooms. Occasional pruning improves airflow, controls shape, and encourages fresh flowers, making climbing roses perfect for decorative outdoor spaces. Nasturtium or Tropaeolum is an attractive trailing vine perfect for balcony containers and hanging pots. Its vibrant flowers bloom in shades of yellow, orange, and red, creating a cheerful display in small outdoor spaces. The fast-growing stems spill beautifully over railings or climb with light support, adding natural charm to balconies. Nasturtiums grow best in sunny locations with well-draining soil and require moderate watering. Avoid rich fertilizers, as too many nutrients reduce flowering. This low-maintenance vine is ideal for urban gardening and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. The edible flowers and leaves also make it useful for fresh salads and garnishes. Purple bell vine, or Rhodochaeton atrosanguinus, is a delicate climbing vine admired for its deep purple bell-shaped flowers and trailing stems. It grows beautifully in containers, hanging baskets, and balcony gardens where it can climb over trellises or railings. The vine prefers bright sunlight or partial shade and well-draining soil for healthy growth. Regular watering keeps the plant fresh and flowering throughout the season. Its elegant blooms and heart-shaped leaves create a graceful ornamental display, making purple bell vine a charming choice for decorative vertical gardening in small outdoor spaces. Cape Plumbago, Plumbago auriculata, is a beautiful flowering shrub vine known for its soft blue clusters of blossoms and long spreading branches. It grows well in containers, balconies, and sunny patios where it can trail gracefully or climb with support. The plant prefers warm conditions, full sunlight, and well-draining soil for healthy flowering. Regular watering and occasional pruning help maintain its shape and encourage continuous blooms. Cape Plumbago attracts butterflies and adds a cool, refreshing color to small garden spaces. Its easy maintenance and abundant flowers make it an excellent ornamental plant for decorative container gardening.